Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bean soup with canned beans, full guide. Start by draining and rinsing 2 cans of beans, then sauté onion, garlic, and celery in olive oil until soft, about 5 minutes. Add the beans to the pot with stock, herbs, and a bay leaf, then simmer gently for 20 minutes to meld flavors, finishing with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon. I recommend seasoning slowly and tasting as you go to keep the soup balanced and cozy. Start with a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper, then adjust after simmering. For brightness, add a tablespoon of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar at the end. Stir in chopped parsley or cilantro just before serving to lift the aroma and deliver a fresh finish that feels homemade and satisfying. If you are finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more cozy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees black ice you see here for a fresh vibe while cooking, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To vary the texture, remove a cup of soup, puree it, and stir it back to thicken naturally, keeping the dish lighter than cream-based versions. For extra nutrition, stir in chopped kale or frozen spinach during the last 5 minutes of simmering. To create a smoky profile, add smoked paprika or brown chorizo early in the sauté stage. These small shifts let you tailor the soup to your mood and pantry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.